buying cryptocurrency has become easier than ever, and PayPal is one of the most popular platforms offering this option. Many beginners and even some seasoned investors wonder whether using PayPal is a smart way to get into crypto. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the pros and cons of buying cryptocurrency with PayPal, so you can make an informed decision before you put your money on the line. Let's start with the advantages. One of the biggest pros of using PayPal for crypto is ease of use. PayPal is a platform that millions of people already trust for online payments, shopping, and sending money to family or friends. That familiarity makes it much less intimidating for someone who's completely new to cryptocurrency. Instead of having to sign up for a crypto exchange, verify your identity on a new platform, and learn how to use different wallets, you can simply log into PayPal and buy coins directly. For many beginners, this convenience is a huge plus. Another benefit is transaction speed. Bank transfers can sometimes take days, and credit card transactions can have delays, but PayPal purchases are almost instant. This means you can get exposure to cryptocurrency without waiting around, and you won't have to deal with the frustration of long transfer times. Security is another advantage. PayPal is a regulated, highly trusted platform with strong buyer protections in place. While crypto exchanges are generally safe, many people feel more confident using a platform they already know and have used for years. For someone cautious about moving into crypto, PayPal offers a sense of security and peace of mind. Then there's integration with wallets and payments. PayPal not only lets you buy and hold crypto inside its platform, but in some cases, you can also use it to pay merchants that accept PayPal with your crypto balance. This makes it easier for someone who wants to experiment with actually using cryptocurrency as a form of payment instead of just an investment. Finally, PayPal has a low entry barrier. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. The platform allows users to buy small amounts of crypto, making it perfect for beginners who just want to dip their toes into the market without taking on too much risk. So, those are some strong advantages. But of course, no system is perfect. Let's now talk about the disadvantages of buying crypto with PayPal. The first major drawback is limited availability. PayPal crypto services are not available in every country. Depending on where you live, you may not have access to buying, selling, or holding cryptocurrency on the platform at all. This restriction can be frustrating if you're excited to get started, only to find out that PayPal doesn't support it in your region. Another big issue is lack of ownership. In the crypto world, there's a famous saying, "Not your keys, not your coins." This refers to the idea that if you don't have access to the private keys of your cryptocurrency, then you don't truly own it. When you buy through PayPal, you don't get the private keys. In fact, your coins are essentially being held by PayPal on your behalf. That means your control is limited, and if PayPal were to restrict your account, you could lose access to your crypto. Fees are also a significant downside. Compared to traditional crypto exchanges, PayPal tends to charge higher transaction and conversion fees. These costs can add up, especially if you're making frequent purchases or dealing with larger amounts. For serious investors, this can make PayPal less attractive than dedicated crypto platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Selection is another limitation. PayPal only supports a handful of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. While those are some of the biggest and most popular coins, the crypto world is huge, with thousands of other tokens and projects available on exchanges. If you're looking to explore altcoins or diversify your holdings, PayPal won't give you the variety you might want. Restrictions on transfers are also an issue. In the past, PayPal completely prevented users from sending or receiving crypto to external wallets. Recently, they've started allowing limited transfers, but the system is still not as flexible as using a traditional crypto wallet. This can make it harder to move your assets around, take advantage of trading opportunities, or simply store your crypto in a cold wallet for maximum security. Privacy is another concern. Unlike decentralized exchanges, where transactions can be more anonymous, everything you do on PayPal is tied directly to your account and identity. For those who value privacy and the decentralized nature of crypto, this may feel restrictive. So, what's the final verdict? Buying cryptocurrency with PayPal definitely has its place. If you're a beginner, if you value convenience, or if you just want to get exposure to crypto without diving deep into wallets and exchanges, PayPal is a very easy entry point. It's secure, fast, and simple. But if you're a serious investor, someone who wants to fully own their coins, or someone who's interested in exploring more than just a handful of cryptocurrencies, PayPal is not the best option. The fees are high, the selection is limited, and you don't have full control over your assets. In simple terms, PayPal is best for dipping your toes in the water, not for swimming in the deep end of crypto investing. If you just want to get a feel for the market and start small, it's a fine choice. But as your knowledge and confidence grow, you'll likely want to transition to a full crypto exchange where you can buy, sell, transfer, and truly own your digital assets. So, should you buy cryptocurrency with PayPal? The answer depends on your goals. If your priority is convenience and simplicity, then yes, PayPal is a great starting point. But if your goal is long-term investment, serious trading, or having complete ownership of your crypto, you'll want to explore other platforms. As always, do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is a volatile market, and while PayPal makes it easier than ever to get started, it's important to know both the advantages and the limitations before you make your first purchase. That wraps up our breakdown of buying cryptocurrency with PayPal, the pros and the cons.